In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate and use the featured section in your profile. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage, and you can access your profile by either clicking here on the Me in the main menu and view profile, or you click on the photograph or your name, and that will take you through to your profile page. Now, if you scroll down just a little, you will see this is the section that I'm talking about here. Now, this is a great opportunity for you to generate leads, tell people about training programs, offer a one-to-one coaching session, or tell people about your newsletter. By default, this section is not activated when you create your profile. So to activate it, scroll up to the top until you see this button, Add Profile section. If you click on there and then click on a recommended, you will find there it is there. You click on that and you can add the featured section. Now, before you do that, make sure you got something to put in your featured section. Otherwise, if you just click on there, activate it, and don't put anything in, it actually isn't visible until you put something in. So it could be a link to your website, to your newsletter, or to your online booking calendar. But think about it very carefully, whatever you put in there, because if you've noticed, people can only see the first three. To see the others, they can scroll and see them, but these are the first three that they will see. So make them impactful and give yourself an opportunity to generate a lead. I hope you found this useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on functionality on LinkedIn.